back to my channel. This is Christina at Homeschooling Grace. And today we got the privilege to open this super fun box from Pip&Lulu. I follow them on Instagram and you can find them too at Pip&Lulu. They had a contest going on for one of their fall Play-Doh kits. And it's two sisters that are homeschooled and they create these kits and they're doing them for a fundraiser and also as a school project. And what a fun way to learn about entrepreneurship. It's super cool. So we're super excited to open this and show you what's all in it. So I'll start with, they sent a thank you card with it from each of them. Thank you for your support from Lulu. And thank you so much for entering the contest from Pip. And it comes with bags to put the Play-Doh in. And then they give you their account on Instagram, and I will link this down below in the description box. And then they come with 3 different sizes. You can get a small kit, a large kit, or a triple play kit. And what a perfect gift for preschoolers and toddlers and even elementary age kids for Christmas, because Christmas is coming. And this is a fun gift to share with them. Okay, so let's open it up. Did you hear all the oohs and ahs? We haven't shared this with the girls yet. I hid it away. It smells like fall.
Can I smell it?
I can smell it. So it comes with this card that says Hello Autumn. And on the back of it, it gives you ideas for what you can do with the kit. So girls, we can put the alphabet in order, count the rock, make a pumpkin patch, make a scene for animal stories, build a tree, spell words by pushing letters in the dough. And there are so many ways to play. Okay, oh my goodness. Smell it.
Let me smell. Let me smell.
You want to smell it too?
Really good candy. Now let's smell this one. This one I think is gonna smell good. Let me. This one. It smells like autumn. It smells like pumpkin. It smells kind of like a pumpkin pie. Ooh.
Ooh, one of the fun things. So, yeah, this one smells like pumpkin spice almost, or like a
smell this one.
Autumn scent.
Oh, that's so nice.
Okay, so there's tons of fun things. So let's go by part. So let's start in this section, and we have leaves. What would you like to do with your leaves? And look at their sticks.
And there's also a little stump that you can just fit right in the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
And there's letters to like press in it and spell. Give me.
Oh yeah. So there's lots of letters and buttons. So what's so nice about this is it comes in a really nice container to keep it in.
Yeah, you can just keep it in there.
And all the pieces. Ooh, look what she did. She pressed the leaf in.
And then it makes...
And made an impression with the leaf.
Oh, I want to try that.
Yeah, you gotta try.
I wonder what happens when you press this in.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I know what it's going to look like. It looks like a little animal's home.
Ooh, that's fantastic.
Like usually a hole in it.
Oh, yeah. What are you making, Abby?
A little butt.
Are you putting the letters in?
No, look at that pretty button.
That is a very pretty button. And look at, here's a stick.
And now,
there's more leaves? Okay,
I think
there's more
soon
leaves.
we're going to move to the next part. Mom, you look, I made something.
Oh, you did, that's great.
And Mama, this pumpkin,
Oh, and she used this one in it.
these Play-Dohs are really nice. Like if you want to like add details with like these leaves.
Did you make a pumpkin?
I'm carving one.
Oh, that's excellent. Oh, Abby, look at yours. Let's turn them this way so they can see.
Abby.
Oh, and you put the fence on yours. Should you put the fox behind here?
Mommy. I need tools. Almost done. Take them. Done with mine. Oops, not done. I'm gonna sing. It's the hedgehog's pumpkin. 3.
The little hand pulling stuff out.
Coin.
Look what I made.
Very good. Okay, you can start all over, make a new scene.
Can I have one of the little sticks, Nana? Or Mama, can you get me one?
These?
Thank you.
Would you girls recommend getting one of Pip and Lulu's Play-Doh sets?
I want to get the summer one.
The summer one. That would be fun.
I want to get the winter one.
Ooh, the winter one.
I want to get I put a fence so no one can get through it. So there's a lock. There's a lock. So no one can get in. Can I see one of
that's
those
a good
little
idea. Here, let's put some more
One
fun
of
things.
those
We got so
little-
much more.
Can I see one of the little leaf presses?
I'm making lots of leaves on this, not this other one.
Oh, there's little beads. These cute little logs.
Yeah, I'm actually using a log. Can I have another log? I'm
Can
making
I
a
please
bench.
have a log?
There's more.
Please, can I have a log? Yeah.
I'm making a den for my hedgehog.
So I think we're gonna be here a while. Thank you so much, Pip and Lulu, for your contest on Instagram. So go check them out, and you can find me on Instagram as well.
Wait, let's not be done. I'm not done. I'm not done too.
They're not done. They're not done. They're gonna keep going, which is awesome. This is gonna be lots of fun for today.
I'm still creating this.
So check us out at Instagram at Homeschool and Grace, and check out Pip and Lulu. They said they will be running more contests, and get your Christmas gifts. This is gonna be super great this year.
Okay.
So thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, the baby, she wants the pieces. Here, you hold the pumpkin.